Well, it is Sunday, June 23rd, a momentous day for me. It's my 80th birthday, but look what my best present is. Willie West, master craftsman, my friend of 50 years, finished this off. This is the radiator shell for the Bestioni. Is this a magnificent ass thing? Where do you go from there? So now all I got to do is build a hood and a body and the rest of it. But look at that. Now we're building a radiator now, and you'll be able to see what we're doing. It's a fantastic, fantastic day for me. And you can see why I'm so happy and excited. This is a hell of an act to follow. It is magnificent. The Beast of Turin.